always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Wildfire smoke is still around today. It actually is likely helping to suppress our temperatures by a couple of degrees. Still, it's mild outside. Live look outside at Grand Haven, a little cooler closer to the water. And you can see the water is glassy smooth, getting a lot of reports of salmon biting pretty well in portions of the Big Lake. Here's a look at wind speeds. You can see we have an easterly component, and anytime we have an easterly component, it usually helps to flatten out the waters of Lake Michigan just a bit. 5 to 10 for wind speeds now, but we're expecting Friday and Saturday to become a bit more blustery outside as the system pulls through. Here are temperatures. Made it to 68 in Grand Rapids, 70 for South Haven and Kalamazoo, still just 66 in Muskegon. And the breeze, warm temperatures, dry conditions have been excellent for transporting pollen. It's been another big pollen year. Primary pollens right now, ash, birch, and oak. Notice Friday we get knocked down. That's just because of the rain moving through, helping to drag some of that's been released in the environment down to the surface. But Saturday and Sunday, we're expecting the pollen to increase once more. So here's satellite and radar. A few clouds are moving in, not many, but the system that's bringing us rain is formed, and it is going to be pushing through Friday. Notice not everyone sees the same amount of rain. Better chance of seeing bigger totals south of Allegan and Hastings. So Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and then over towards Lansing. Those are the folks that have the best chance of picking up more than a quarter of an inch of rain. But many of us are also going to be in that category where we see about a quarter of an inch or less. So this isn't going to be a huge system. We just have to watch for some isolated thunderstorms. We're not expecting any severe weather, so wind and hail not a factor for us here. I want to show you the timeline. 7 a.m. tomorrow. Start to see the arrival of this system. Could be a little on the spotty side before it gets its legs. 10 a.m. still some showers. Others like Coldwater, Battle Creek spending most of the morning dry. And then as we continue through the afternoon, the entire band begins to shift south of Grand Rapids into Allegan and Battle Creek, drying out north in areas like Muskegon, Fremont, and Big Rapids. By 6 o'clock, again, split forecast really depends on where you live before the system finally moves out. And by midnight, we should be completely dry. Some clouds and a shot of cool air swing in for Saturday. That's one of the reasons why Saturday our temps drop even further to about 64. As for Sunday, 72 degrees, Monday 70, and then you can see the 80s that are on the board there. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's the warming trends that we've been talking about, and it really looks likely to unfold next week. So if you like the cool weather, these next few days are going to be perfect for you.
Nice.
Look at that warm up.
It's not bad.
Wow. Okay, Ellen.
Thanks, Ellen.